we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Hey, I'm looking at two espresso machines, the Breville Barista Pro and the DeLonghi Eletta. What do you think?
Oh, interesting choices. The Breville is semi-automatic, right? And the DeLonghi is fully automatic. That's a big difference right off the bat.
Yeah, that's what caught my eye. I like the idea of being more involved in the process with the Breville, grinding and tamping myself.
Right, the Barista Pro has that integrated conical burr grinder, which is a nice touch. It's got adjustable grind control too. The DeLonghi, being fully automatic, handles all that for you. It also has a grinder with 13 adjustable settings.
13 settings? Sounds good. What about the heating systems? I heard the Breville heats up super fast.
It does. The Breville boasts a 3-second heat-up time with its thermojet system. The DeLonghi, well, it doesn't specify an exact time, but it does have a double boiler system, which should keep the temperature stable for brewing and frothing milk.
Okay, milk frothing is important. I like lattes.
Both have you covered there. The Breville has a manual microfoam milk texturing wand, so you can practice your latte art. The DeLonghi has what they call an automatic cappuccino system, so it's more hands-off. It even has a milk drinks menu.
Manual control versus automatic. What about size? Counter space is valuable.
The Breville is 13.5, DX 13.9, WX 16 inches H. The DeLonghi is a bit bigger at 14.16, DX 10.2, WX 18.36H. So the DeLonghi is taller, but slightly less wide.
Good to know. And what are people saying about them?
The Breville has tons of reviews, like over 3,000. People generally love the taste and ease of use. There are some complaints about build quality, but the majority are positive. The DeLonghi has far fewer reviews, only 10, but they are overwhelmingly positive. People praise the cappuccino and espresso quality, and how easy it is to clean.
Okay, so Breville is popular and well-regarded, but DeLonghi is praised among its limited user base. Anything else?
The DeLonghi is a renewed product, so it's been inspected and tested. The Breville is brand new. Also, the Breville has a 2-year warranty, but there's no mention of a warranty for the DeLonghi. And availability might be an issue for the DeLonghi. It seems to be out of stock currently.
Wow, thanks, that's really helpful. I think I need to weigh the hands-on experience versus the convenience factor. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.